Hello and welcome to Makula. My name is Sheroz and I'm the Senior Product Manager. Today we're talking about CMMS. Imagine if all your maintenance information, including all your work orders, machine details, service records, all lived in one place. That's what a CMMS does. CMMS stands for Computerized Maintenance Management Systems, and they're the digital backbones of modern maintenance operations. Today I'll walk you through Makula CMMS and give you a brief overview of the various modules. First, we have our assets section. This is a list of all the machines you have on the shop floor. You can store information, documentation, procedures, create preventive maintenance alerts for these assets. Then you have a list of all your parts. These are directly assigned to assets, and you can store information, as an example, a supplier that's providing these parts or where they're stored in the factory, etc. Work orders are where all the work really happens. These are a list of jobs that are created against all your assets. Each job is directly attached to an asset. It provides you information on the job, its status, asset information, and then you can go in and fill out service reports or procedures. Procedures are forms or checklists that are filled out by engineers when they're working on an asset. You have a scheduler to schedule work in for your engineers. Per asset, a list of planned events which shows you everything that's due in the future. These preventive maintenance events that you created on each asset basically show up here. And then, of course, you can drill down into your maintenance performance, look at analytics, get insights from there. If you're looking for how other modules work, feel free to check out other videos where we dive into many of these modules in more detail. Thank you.